In a world where life is nothing but fun, there lived a girl who only loved to do the most random things ever. Would you like to know what the random things that she liked to do were? Well, I think I can show you. I'm sure she liked to do random cat daddy. Bitch, I go to work, shoot winners. Jeans goodies like Squidward. Random cat daddy. Bitch, I go to work, shoot winner. Jeans goodies like Squidward, 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 Squidward. Random cat daddy. And that is why, in a world where random things happen, that girl is number one. Thank you, and good night.